Hey everybody, Haley here. Time to review my February IPSY bag. This one came so late, like it came on the 20th or 21st or something like that. It is the 24th today, and like the month is over. Like where did I don't know. It seemed to come super late. I don't know if anybody else's came really late, but nevertheless, here is our little bag. It's super cute for Valentine's Day. I wish I would have gotten it before Valentine's Day, but at least I got it. So it's a pink kind of leather-ish bag with red hearts on it. And let's get into what I got in my February IPSY bag. Okay, the first thing I got is the Glow Tonic by Pixi. Now, I've actually been trying to find this at Target, and every time I go it's sold out. That being said, I only used it once, and I was not impressed, and I know that people rave about this, so maybe with more regular use I would see some results, but my skin looked no different after I used it, so yeah. I'm gonna give it some more tries because, like I said, everybody raves about it. It must be good, but for me it didn't work, so I'm gonna give it some more tries and I'm gonna see how it goes. Next product I received is the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade NC20, and it's actually a really good match for my skin, so I'm kind of sad that the sponge is bigger than the makeup, but it's a sample, what can I say? So it actually is pretty good on my skin here. So I got some of my sponge, and I'm gonna, like, it looks light at first, but then when you blend it out, it's really good. And I love this because I really only wear powder foundations, so I love that I got an extra and a good one to try. I'm really impressed with it so far, so yeah. My next product is Meek and Mia Pressed Eyeshadow in the shade Taupe. Now, I have never heard of the brand Meek and Mia. I don't know if any of you have. Let me know if you have, because I haven't, and it is a beautiful taupey shade, but it's really not that good. So I want to show you how hard I'm pressing this in here right now. It's not that, like, I am pressing it, and this actually showed up more than when I tried to use it. I used so much of this and it did not show up. It is just not pigmented at all. And I don't know if it's just the shade, because I actually really like the formulation of it. It's actually very creamy for a powder eyeshadow. Not when I moved to the East Coast, but anyways, this, yeah, I really don't know. And now I feel kind of stupid because this worked a lot better than when I first tried to test it out. So let's try to grab some on a brush here. Let me grab a brush. I have a fluffy brush here. I'm gonna put some on here, and I want to try to just put some into my crease just to see if it'll show up. Obviously, I don't have anything in my eyes. This is just going onto bare skin, but I want to see. Oh, okay, so it actually works more than I thought I was going to. You can see it. I take back my first statement. I mean, you do have to actually get a lot on your brush, but once you actually get a lot on your brush, it does show up. Okay, so I take back my statement. I mean, like, I think it's just the color. It might just be the color which makes it look lighter than it is, but I actually really like the formulation of it. Like I said, it's very creamy. It does have a lot of fallout. Like when I just did the swatch in my hand, there was a giant chunk of it in there. So it depends on how you like your eyeshadows, but I like it. I really like it. The next thing I have is a Haneli, I think Haneli. It sounds like a Hawaiian name. It's a lip treatment in peach pink. And it is just supposed to kind of be like a chapstick, but better for your lips. It's supposed to do a whole bunch, and it is just like a little tinted balm. It's a very corally pink color. It smells really good. I actually have not tried this. I'm not going to put it on because I have another lip product I want to show you, but it is a beautiful color. Does it have SPF in it? That would make so much sense if it did. It does not. Interesting. Okay. but I will give this a try. Next product in here I think is my favorite, and it's a Belle and Argent lip color, and it's in the shade I'll Bring Dessert, which is a very like berryish pinkish red color. It is so pretty. I actually wore this lip shade to my bridal shower. This was my lipstick of choice. It is so pretty. I love it. It stays on beautifully. More than other lipsticks, I feel like. It's just so pretty. It is very well matched for my complexion, my skin tone, my eye color, my hair color. I think it's very, I don't know. Ooh, that looks like crap. I don't know if I just got lucky, you know, with the shade that I got, but I love it. It's so nice. That was like the worst lipstick application I've ever done in my life. But you know what? I'm in a rush. We gotta do what we gotta do. That's my products. Like I said, I think this is definitely my favorite. This next. Let me know what you got in your IPSY bag, and I'll be watching your videos to find out as well. See you later.